I tried Strike Wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the Strike Wallet app, I thought it was just another Bitcoin wallet. But after 7 days of testing, the shocking truth is that Strike isn't just a wallet, it's a glimpse into the future of instant, borderless payments powered by Bitcoin's Lightning Network. On day 1, setup was incredibly fast. You verify your identity, link a bank account, and you're ready to send or receive money in minutes. What's wild is that Strike uses Bitcoin behind the scenes, but you can send or receive US dollars instantly, without worrying about volatility. By day 2, I decided to send money to a friend overseas. The transaction was almost instant, and here is the crazy part. There were zero fees. Strike routes payments through Bitcoin's Lightning Network, meaning it skips the banks entirely. This is what true financial innovation looks like. By day 4, I tested it at a local coffee shop that accepts Bitcoin. I paid using the app, and the transaction cleared before my coffee finished pouring. Most people think Bitcoin is slow or expensive, but Strike proves that's not true. The Lightning Network changes everything. By day 7, I realized the shocking truth. Strike isn't just for crypto enthusiasts. It's a real-world financial tool that's faster, cheaper, and more global than traditional banking. You can pay, get paid, or even dollar cost average into Bitcoin, all from one clean, simple interface. The only downside? It's still expanding globally, so not every country supports all features yet. But once it does, it could disrupt remittances, banking, and even credit card networks. After a week with Strike, I'm convinced this isn't the future of money. It's already here, just quietly running on Bitcoin.